In this video, I want to share with you one of the most advanced tools for Amazon sellers. This tool is ideal for individuals who want to take their Amazon business to another level.
MBS is a very unique suite of tools in that it covers everything from finding products and getting started in the business, all the way to managing and optimizing every aspect of your business, tracking statistics, tracking inventory as well as supply chain, handling your buyer-seller messaging, and many more. Now, and to give you an idea, basic subscription ranges from $20 a month for a starter plan, and the starter plan really covers anyone from haven't found a product yet, they're at the very beginning of their Amazon journey, really gets them all the way through actually getting that listing live on Amazon. Starter plan will get someone from beginning to end. And then we have MBS Elite, which is $59 a month, and that covers our entire suite of tools. You can rest assured that MBS is going to be able to solve problems for any Amazon seller, be it problems they run into with Seller Central, or understanding the KPIs for their business, or just really being able to automate some of the tedious functions that come with being a seller on Amazon. Now,
click the link in the description section below this video for more information. Also, please like, share and leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you like this video.